My dear students, welcome to DM Pannale classes YouTube channel. Now we continue the discussing uh, about Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2019 subject mathematics version code C4 question number 21 foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 1, 1, comma 3, comma 4 to the plane 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equal to 0 is the options are like this minus 3 for you 2 1 2 minus 3 0 minus 4 minus 7 minus 1 4 3 solution we know that the standard result x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus into a x1 plus b y1 plus c z1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, first how to find x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate is equal to x minus x1 divided by 2. Put x1 is equal to put x1 is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 coefficient of x to the plane. Okay, x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to put x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 3 and z1 is equal to 4. A, b, c and d are the coefficients of x, y, z with constant term d. uh, that is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1, d is equal to 3. Okay, put after here put the values of a, b, c and d x1 y1 z1. After simplification we get this is equal to minus 6 by 6. Okay, 6 and 6 get cancelled, uh, we get x coordinate is equal to minus 1, therefore x is equal to minus 1. Here we observe that the options x is equal to first coordinate is minus 1. The okay, option a is wrong, b is also wrong, c is also wrong, then the right choice of this question is d. Okay, that is x is equal to minus 1 4 3. Okay, next move on to question number 22. acute angle between the lines acute angle between the lines x minus 5 by 2 y plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to z plus 4 by 1 and the plane are also given 3x minus 4y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. The options are like this. Okay, sin inverse of 5 by 2 root 3 and similarly b c and d, these are the options. Okay, now I will discuss the solution of question number 22. Okay, here b is equal to vector b is equal to 2i minus 1j plus 4k. Here vector b is equal to 2i minus 1j plus 1k. Vector n is equal to 3i minus 4j minus k. Here 3i minus 4j minus 1k. Okay, here we know that a vector b dot vector n is equal to, we know that the definition for suppose two vectors are given, then their dot product is equal to this 2 into 3 minus plus minus 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into minus 1. After simplification we get b dot vector n is equal to 9. Vector b is equal to square root under 6, magnitude of vector b is equal to square root under 6, magnitude of vector n is equal to square root under 26. We know that the standard result sin theta is equal to b dot n divided by magnitude of vector b into magnitude of vector n. B dot n is equal to 9, vector b is equal to root 6, magnitude of vector n is equal to square root under 26, and this is 9 divided by root 6 into root 26 is equal to 156. 156 split into 4 times 39. Okay, 9 by 3 into root 39 this is our sin theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of 9 by 2 root 13. But options C is not there. Because of this, by using this identity by using trigonometric first identity, cos theta is equal to square root under 1 minus sine square theta. Then put sine theta is equal to this is our sine theta. Put sine theta is equal to this result. After simplification, we get square root under 75 divided by 2 root 39. Okay, so root 75 can be write down can be written as 5 times root 3 divided by 2 times root 3 into root 13 is equal to root 39. This root 3 and this root 3 get cancelled. 5 by 2 root 13. Therefore cos theta is equal to this result, but theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 2 root 13. Therefore the right choice of this question is B. Right choice of this question is B. Okay, theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 divided by 2 root 13. Okay, next question number 23. The distance of the point 1 to 1 from the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 2 is. Options are 20 by 3, root 5 by 3, 2 times root 5 by 3, 2 root 3 by 5. Okay, solution. Here we consider the line. The given line is this. We consider this is equal to t. Then x is equal to 2t plus 1, y is equal to t plus 2, z is equal to 2t plus 3. By using this result to find x is equal to, y is equal to, and z is equal to. Okay, here we observe that this figure, our aim is to find the distance of the point P from the line. This is given line and this is given point P. Our aim is to find PQ distance. Okay, PQ is equal to PQ is equal to 1 2t plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2t. T plus 2 minus 2 is equal to t. 2t plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2t plus 2. Okay, we know that this result a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 is equal to 0. Put a1 is equal to, a2 is equal to, b1 b2 c1 c2. After simplification we get this result. Okay, here after simplification we get t is equal to minus 4 by 9. Therefore vector pq is equal to put t is equal to put t is equal to minus 4 by 9. In this point we get vector pq is equal to minus 8 by 9 I minus 4 by 9 j plus 10 by 9k. Therefore magnitude of vector pq is equal to, and then we know that how to find magnitude of any non-zero vector. The magnitude of vector pq is equal to 2 root 5 by 3. Therefore the right choice of this question is right choice of this question is C, that is 2 root 5 by 3. Okay, next move on to question number 24. Okay, xy plane divides the line joining the points a of 2 3 minus 5 and b of minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 in the ratio. The options are like this: 5 is to 3 externally, 5 is to 3 internally, 3 is to 2 externally, 3 is to 1 internally. Here the xy plane divides. We know that the standard result xy plane divides minus z1 by z2 is equal to minus as it is z1 is equal to minus 5 and z2 is equal to minus 3. Then here minus get cancelled. We get minus times 5 by 3. Therefore here minus indicates externally, opposed to indicates internally. Okay, therefore the ratio becomes 5 is to 3. Therefore the right choice of this question is A. Okay, 5 is to 3. Next move on to question number 25. The shaded region in the figure is the solution set of the inequations Okay, here this figure is given. Okay, by using options Okay, by the verification or solution of these questions by using options to define which one is correct. Okay, here the equation of this line becomes 3x plus 10y is equal to 13. 3x plus 10y is equal to, sorry, 30. The equation of this line is 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. Okay, here the solution of this the solution of this line or this equation all lie below the line. It means 3x plus 10y less than or equal 30, less than equal to 30. Okay, the equation of this line 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. The solutions are lie above the line. The solutions of this line above the line. Therefore 4x plus 5y greater than or equal 20, therefore okay, here see here 4x plus 5y less than equal to 20, this option is wrong. 4x plus 5y less than equal to 20, this option is also wrong. Okay, okay, 4x plus 5y to check option C or option D. Okay, here okay, the equation of this line is equal to x is equal to 6. The solutions of this line lie left side. It means x less than or equal 6. Therefore the options are okay. Okay, x is greater than equal to 6. Therefore option C is also wrong, option A is wrong, option B is wrong. Therefore option D is the right choice of these questions. Okay, next move on to question numbers. The right choice of this question is 25 question is D. This is the right choice of this 25 question number 25. Next move on to question number 26. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square is, the options are minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, minus 1 plus I into root 3 by 2, D options 1. We know that x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The roots of these equations are omega and omega square. Therefore alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Therefore alpha is equal to omega, beta is equal to omega square. We know that this result, alpha square plus beta square is equal to omega. Alpha is equal to what? Omega square plus beta is equal to omega square. Omega square is equal to omega raised to 4. Okay, here omega square as it is, omega raised to 4 can be split into omega 3 into 1. Okay, omega 3 is equal to 1. Therefore omega square plus omega, we know that this standard result 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega square plus omega is equal to, here plus 1 is transposed into right hand side, we get minus 1. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 1. Therefore the right choice of question number 26 is minus 1. Okay, next move on to question number 27. Okay, the number of 4 digits numbers without repetition that can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in which each number has 2 odd digits, 2 even digits is, the options are 454, 450, 436, 432. Okay, here 1 3 5 7, these are the uh, odd digits. 246 are even digits. Okay, our aim is to find uh, without repetition by using these digits, in which each number has 2 odd digits and 2 even digits. Therefore four odd digits, by using the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore 4c2 odd 4 odd digits are there. By using these 4 odd digits, to form four digit numbers, two odd digits. Okay, similarly, okay, three even digits are there, but out of three, we consider two even digits, 3 c2 into 4 factorial, because our aim is to find number of four digit numbers. Therefore 4c2 is equal to 6 and 3c2 is equal to 3 and 4 factorial is equal to 24, and after simplification we get 432. Therefore the right choice of this question is D, that is a 432. Okay, next question number 20, question number 28. The number of terms in the expansion of x square plus y square raised to 25 minus x square minus y square raised to 25 after simplification is, the options are 50, 26, 13, 0. We know that the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b whole raised to n is equal to n plus 1 terms. Similarly, by using that result, therefore the number of terms in the expansion of first term is 26 terms. 26 terms. The 26 terms are x1 sorry t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 dash 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 t20 t26. Similarly, minus the number of terms in the expansion of minus x square minus y square raised to 25 is t1 minus t2 plus t3 minus t4 dash 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 minus t26. Okay, subtracting one another, we get odd terms are cancelled. Then after simplification we get 2 times of t2, 2 times of t4 dash dash 2 times of t26. Taken common factor, or okay, the number of terms in the expansion, in the given expansion is 13. 13. Okay, t2, t4, t6 dash 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 up to t26. Then the number of terms in the given expansion is 13. Therefore the right choice of this question is 13. Okay, next move on to question number 29. The third term of the GP is 9. It is given. The product of its few terms is, options are 3 raised to 12, 3 raised to 10, 3 raised to 9, 3 raised to 5. Okay, it is given. Third term of a GP is 9. Third term of a GP is AR square. AR square is equal to what? 9. It is given. Then the product of its 5 term. Okay, the 5 terms are a into AR square, AR cube, A into R is to 4. This is our first 5 terms. The product of first 5 terms are right like this. Okay, and this is equal to a raised to 5 into r raised to 10. Okay, then this can be written as a into r whole a into r square whole raised to 5. After simplification, we get previous result, a raised to 5 into 10 raised r raised to 10. Then a r square is equal to what? 9. Put a r square is equal to 9. 9 raised to 5. 9 can be split into 3 square whole raised to 5. 3 raised to 10. Therefore the right choice of this question is 3 raised to 10. The right choice of this question is B. Next question number 30. A line cuts off equal intercepts. This statement is important. On the coordinate axis, the angle made by this line with the positive direction of x axis is 135 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, and option D is 45 degree. Here we know that the line cuts off equal intercepts. By using intercept form, the intercept form becomes like this: x by a plus y by, actually the equations is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, but here it is given that the line cuts equal intercept. Therefore put b is equal to a or a is equal to b, both are same. Then after take LCM is a, then this can be written as x plus y is equal to a. We know that slope is equal to minus into coefficient of x Divide by coefficient of y, minus, as it is coefficient of x is what, 1, and coefficient of y is also 1, therefore minus 1 by 1. But here, yeah, minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, here we know that m is equal to what, slope, m is equal to tan theta is equal to minus 1, therefore theta is equal to what, tan inverse of minus 1. Therefore tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to 135 degree. Therefore the right choice of this question is a, that is 135 degree. Okay, uh, thank you so much my dear student for because watching this video. Next questions are coming soon.